Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that by the end of this video you will have gotten a gist of who I am, what I'm about, what this channel is about, and that you will click that subscribe button and join this amazing family. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome to another video. It's been so long since I've made a video. I know I've been gone for so long and I do apologize for that, but I think it was much needed because I just needed to just figure things out and just get my groove back, and I'm hoping that I have in a way. So I decided to film this life update kind of sorta for you guys, just to update you guys on what's been going on. And I have questions or points rather, so if you see me looking down, then you know that I'm just trying to just keep track, and so that I don't just blabber and whatever and not make sense on this entire video. So if you are interested in finding out where I have been, keep watching. First things first, I feel like I need to reintroduce myself. Hi, my name is Mumsieodirile. I'm an actress, a motivational speaker, a content creator, a small business owner, and I am a young woman navigating life with a disability. I use a wheelchair, and I've been using a wheelchair since 2005. I was diagnosed with a condition called osteogenesis imperfecta, which is a brittle bone condition, and I've just been navigating life, like I said, with this condition and living it to the fullest. Honestly, I do credit God for everything, because I would not be where I am right now if it wasn't for him. I would have long given up. I ain't gonna lie, I would have given up a whole entire, I don't know how many years ago, but like I mean right? Yeah, if you want to know any more, just go back to like my previous videos and such, and click on the cards that will be popping up. I don't know if it'll be up here or up here. I can't remember. Wow, I haven't been on YouTube in such a long time, so what the hell are you guys? But yeah, that's pretty much me in a nutshell. So where have I been? Why I haven't uploaded in so long, and am I still doing YouTube? Okay, so where have I been? Like I said, I just took a break because honestly I wasn't motivated to make any videos. I also had technical difficulties with my phone, because I'm now filming on my phone for reasons that it's just easier for me to film on my phone and then edit and whatever. So it's convenient for me to film on my phone. However, I did have like technical difficulties with trying to export stuff from my phone to my laptop so that I could like edit and whatever. So it just kind of demoralized me, and I was just like And then also I just went through stuff just with my mental health. Just has been it's still a little bit shaky, Yana, but we move, and we'll get through it. I still have a love for YouTube. If I can just find a proper filming situation and I can just commit to filming certain content and just having things properly done, if you know what I mean. And I think I need to fall back in love with YouTube. Yes, I do love YouTube, but I just need to fall back in love with YouTube. So, okay, the next thing I'm going to talk about is a recent development. If you have been following me on my social media, which you should, because that's where I'm more active, like on Instagram and Facebook, and on TikTok. But like, I recently won an award. The Women's Awards Botswana were held on the 27th of May. I was nominated for the award of Her Abilities, and the Her Abilities Award is basically an award that recognizes women with disabilities who are just doing the most regardless of their disabilities. And I was honored to be nominated, and I was honored to have actually received the award. I've been saying that it's really given me some kind of purpose. Winning the award kind of gave me a purpose again. It kind of made me realize that there's still so much that I need to do, and it's really opened my eyes to a lot of different opportunities out there, a lot of different gaps that need to be filled, and I'm excited for what it has just unlocked in me. I believe that it came at the right time, like I said, and I'm excited to just see what happens from here. I have so many ideas, but I strongly believe that it's not right, or it's not appropriate for one to overshare before they do something. So I'm just gonna keep it at that, but do follow me on my socials so that you can just not miss anything that I announce. You don't miss anything that I do, and you just are constantly in the loop, because like I said, with YouTube I'm still trying to figure out how to get fully back into it. So you might miss a few things if you don't follow me on other social media platforms, but I will definitely be updating you guys a lot more on the tube. Building and establishing my small business. So if you go back to some of my older videos, you will know that I have a small business, and I started it about 2 years ago. Is it 2 years? Yeah, like a year and a half ago, and it's been coming up. I'm still learning. Yes, it's been a year and a half. I'm still learning. I'm still making mistakes. I'm still just figuring it out, and it's been fun. And I'm now at a point where I'm just like, I really want to work more on it, and really think about it as not as more than a small business. I think I limit the vision by calling it a small business. In fact, I shouldn't even be calling myself a small business owner either, because I feel like I'm just limiting myself by declaring that. I'm limiting myself, and I'm just looking down on the vision that this business is, and how big I want it to become. So I'm working on that, and I'm really excited, and I'm looking forward to just exploring that side of me a bit more. And yeah, again, follow me on my socials so that you can see more of just how it blows up, if you can put it that way. All right, so the last component of this video is what's next. So I have a brand called Styling Creations, right? And that is where the YouTube channel actually stemmed from, because I started off as Stallion Blogs under Styling Creations, and then later on, years later, I rebranded this channel to ItsMumsie to just talk about me and just share my experiences, share my life, and just share more of me. So Styling Creations, I'm currently just revamping it and revisiting the vision. I feel like I'm in a process of rebirth, a process of becoming, a process of relearning myself and reestablishing myself as a person, the new me, going back to different visions. So Styling Creations is one of those big visions that I'm just like, yeah, I'm sitting down with myself again, and actually rethinking certain things, tweaking things here and there, and I'm looking forward to working on different projects that also speak on issues of disability, and that is also good. Those are going to be projects that are going to be under the Styling Creations brand, so I'm excited about that. And yeah, another area of my life that I am really exploring is MCing and presenting. I really want to do more MCing. I want to do presenting, and I actually want to take it on as a profession, as a career, and I'm excited for that. And yeah, I think now it's it's getting to a point where I'm just like, yeah, I do want to work on that side of me. So if you are looking for an MC or a presenter for your show or whatever, just hit me up. Hit me up in my email, or yeah, and let's get working, because I'm excited. I really do want to explore and do more MCing, corporate MCing and event MCing, just to see what I really enjoy doing, because I do enjoy presenting as well. So like I said, television presenting, I am all for it. I am all for MCing, and I'm just excited. I enjoy that. It's really fun for me. So like I said, I am an actress, right? So I'm an actress first before everything else. So I really am excited to continue on as an actress. I am still on the show that I was on, that I've been on for years now, which is Botselojo, and it airs on VTV. I am excited to continue my journey with the show until only God knows when. I'm also excited to hopefully just branch out into other alright, I'm sorry for that. My memory got full, so that means I need to really be quick. So like I was saying, acting, I am hoping that I can get more opportunities to just explore more roles, and I do want to do more in the acting space, so I'm excited for that. And then lastly, with content creation, I want to clean up my spaces clean up my platforms, and just see what else I can do when it comes to content creation, explore other platforms as well, and just stretch myself a little bit more. And yeah, I guess just follow me on that journey. And that's pretty much all that I have to share with you guys in a nutshell. If there are any questions that you guys have for me, or anything that you'd like to share, you'd like to say, please leave it in the comment section, or interact with me on my other social media platforms. And if you'd like to collaborate, or if you'd like to talk business, my email is also in the description box below, so just feel free to hit me up and let's talk. But that is all I have for you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm excited to be back on the tube. I'm excited to be back, and let's see how this goes. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking around. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, like I said, say hello, share whatever you want to share, any ideas, anything that you'd like to see more of on the channel, and share the video with your friends, your loved ones, and let them know that we hang out here every now and then. And of course, if you haven't already, please do subscribe and join this amazing family. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.